Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Meccha Chameleon connection there. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to search, type in settings. Once in settings, you're gonna go to network and internet, scroll down till you find advanced options. Now here, look for network reset, and you simply click reset now and then click yes, and it will reset your network connection, and hopefully that should fix your issue. If that doesn't do it, now what you can do is, now you want to open search again, type in CMD, click run as administrator, click yes. Now type in ipconfig space / really enter, and now type in config space / flush DNS. Now type in net ipconfig space / renew sh space winsock space reset. And now it says you restart your PC. Don't restart it just yet. Type in exit. You want to go to search again. Type in view network connections, open it. Use now if you're using Wi-Fi, you double click on the Wi-Fi. If you're using Ethernet, double click on it, go to properties, internet protocol version 4, double click on it, click here, use the following DNS, and now for the first row you want to use 1.1.1.1, and the second one is 1.0.0.1. And if that doesn't work, what you can try is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, and hopefully that should fix your issue. After you're done with setting that up, you want to restart your PC and then relaunch the game, and that should fix your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Meccha Chameleon connection error. Hopefully this video helps you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.